Here we have a problem on logarithm. Okay, let's read the question. Find the value of log 4th root of 729 times cube root of 9 to the power of minus 1 times 27 to the power of minus 4 by 3. So that is we have to find the value of the logarithm 4th root of 729 times a cube root of 9 to the power of minus 1 times 27 to the power of minus 4 by 3. Okay, to get the simplified value for this one, what I am going to do is, in the first step, I am going to simplify this particular part separately. So let's simplify the value of 9 to the power of minus 1 times 27 to the power of minus 4 by 3. We already know both 9 and 27 are the exponents of 2, so we can write 9 as 3 square. So for 9 we have negative 1 exponent, so the same should be taken here, and 27 can be written as 3 cube, and for the 27 we have the exponent minus 4 by 3, the same is taken here. The next step, we have to multiply these two exponents here and these two exponents here. So 3 to the power of 2 times minus 1 will be minus 2 times 3 to the power of 3 times minus 4 by 3. So this 3 and 3 can be cancelled. We get 3 to the power of minus 2 times 3 to the power of minus 4. Here we multiply two terms with the same base. So what we can do is we can take the base ones and we can add the exponents. So minus 2 minus 4. Finally we get 3 to the power of minus 6. So the product of 9 to the power of minus 1 and 27 to the power of minus 4 by 3 is equal to 3 to the power of minus 6. So that we can substitute here. So we get log 4th root of 729 times cube root of, so instead of this 9 to the power of minus 1 times 27 to the power of minus 4 by 3, we can write 3 to the power of minus 6. So log 4th root of 729 times this cube root can be written as an exponent, then we'll get the exponent 1 by 3. So 3 to the power of minus 6 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now in the next step, log 4th root of 729 times, so these two exponents can be multiplied, we get 3 to the power of minus 6 times 1 by 3. Okay, in the next step, log 4th root of 729 times, here we can simplify this one, 1 times 3 is 3, 3 goes into 6 2 times, so 3 to the power of minus 2. 1 second. Okay, let's continue the problem here. So log 4th root of 729 times this 3 to the power of minus 2 can be written as 1 by 3 square, because if you take this 3 to the power of minus 2 in denominator, the negative exponent will become positive. So log 4th root of 729 times 1 by 9. Okay, so now we can, because the value of 3 square is 9, so now we can simplify. 1 times 9 is 9, 9 goes into 72, 8 times, 9 goes into 9 1 times, so we get log 4th root of 81. Okay, here we can write the 4th root as exponent, then we get the exponent 81 to the power of 1 by 4. Already we know that 81 is exponent of 3, so 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4. Okay, 1 second. Here log, now we can multiply these two exponents 4 and 1 by 4, so we get log 3 to the power of 4 times 1 by 4. So 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 4 is 4, so finally we get log 3 as a result. So the value of this logarithmic expression is log 3.